Yesterday I crushed and strained a bunch of comb from a cutout, yielded about 3.5 gallons. I'm letting the bees clean up the comb right now, clean up the wax before I put it in the melter. And I got about that much more to go from the same cutout. I'm feeding my yard. Look what I got on my tailgate. The Pierce Deluxe Uncapping Tub Kit, because you couldn't read that for yourself. Let me open this thing up and show you what it is. I've been wanting to get this thing out for quite a while now. Come on. It's hard to do one-handed. All right, we're out. I've used an uncapping tub before, but it wasn't Pierce's. Oh, there's extra stuff in here. Tub filter. Freaking hot knife. What? Come on. Look at that. Dude. Alright. I'll have to get to that later. And the frame grip. Yeah, these are good. I like that. I've got the old Kelly one. Almost identical design. This one's a little smoother though. A little smoother operation. Another filter. Parts. Okay, this piece right here sits on the top of the bucket so you can stand your frames up on that screw right there to uncap. There's the valve. Gotta wait on that truck to go by. And there's the instructions. Screen, filter. So this is the bottom tub. The valve goes here. There's a screen here. This tub fits in the top, like so. One fits inside the other. This actually comes out for cleaning. Alright, now there's the stainless screens, tub, strainer. So I've been trying to get this thing out for a long time and just haven't had time, haven't taken time. Today I want to crush and strain a bunch of cutout comb. We got heavy overcast. You could probably hear it rumbling thunder in the background. Super high humidity, so I can't do this outside. We're also in a dearth, so the bees would be all over me. They're already all over my truck. The valve is installed, really simple, 2-second setup. The 600 micron strainer or screen is in the bucket, and our stainless big piece that catches all the big stuff. We're about to get started crushing and straining.
He said he was sending people to kill me.
We're gonna need to see those texts. Do you want to come in and give a statement?
Listen, if Argento killed a prisoner, you gotta say something. You don't get it.
Of course we get it, the code of silence.
That's not what I'm talking about.
I want to thank Pierce for that uncapping tub. That was a really nice gift. I appreciate that a whole lot. What do you think?
I think it's Rooster's best kept secret. He hid it from me for like 6 months.
I did. I meant to get it out, but I've been feeding comb back to the bees so much, and I finally got something I wanted to keep. And we crushed and strained about 6 gallons through it over a couple of days.
Worked great. Made the job a lot easier. I liked the construction. I liked that it was well thought out, and it was perfect for what I use it for, which is usually just crush comb. Because of the cutouts, we don't have foundations or frames that it comes on, so we can't extract it traditional ways. So it was a lot easier. It made the job a lot faster. I really liked the quality of the materials, and I really liked the filter a lot. So it was a winner in my book.
I set about 100 pounds of comb honey on top of it in 3 5-gallon buckets, and it didn't warp it, crack it, nothing like that. I thought about sitting on it for the video, but I thought, yeah, that might ruin it. The setup was quick though. The setup was seconds. Literally screw the valve on it, drop the filter in it, and it's good to go.
Yeah, it's perfect for me.
Even if you're uncapping your frames on a smaller scale, great investment for that. But if you're doing any kind of crushed combs or foundationless, man, this is a good option.
I agree.
this was a upgrade from us normally using a colander and a.
Because we don't get that much that's salvageable.
Yeah, I don't keep a whole lot of cutout combs, so we're normally using a 5-gallon bucket and a bucket screen, or a colander and a
restaurant grade
5-quart pot or something, some restaurant grade something. But that's, you can only do so much in those. In this, you can do a lot. I probably could have done, I don't know how much that bottom will hold, but it held, well, we did 3.5 gallons on the first run, and it wasn't full, so I would imagine it would hold.
It wasn't even half full.
It would probably hold 5 gallons, I would imagine, I'm guessing, but I'm probably not far off. We did 6 gallons in 2 runs and never filled it up, so yeah, great investment. Thank you, Pierce.
Yes, thank you very much.
Great equipment.
The wife's happy.
Somebody's hungry. Come on, let's go get you some cat food. Look, she'll follow me over here to the cat food. She, he, I think it's a she, but I'm not sure. I'm about to melt down that crush wax right now, and I just want to show you what an attractant old brood comb is to hive beetles. Ever see a collection of hive beetles like that? Put you some old brood comb out, you'll find them, or they'll find you. So this warmer is on. It's starting to liquefy around the edges. Keep the lid on it and cook them suckers. I have something I have to share with you before I get out of the Home Depot parking lot. I just went in and bought some supplies, and I got some N95 Milwaukee dust masks. Nothing real special about them other than they stay cool and they're a better fit. Now, I don't know about the cool thing, but they're absolutely a better fit, or I wouldn't be paying almost $13 for a 3-pack. Funny thing is that when I got to the counter, they offered me a protection plan on them. And the young girl at the counter, I thought, well, maybe she don't know what she just sold. I said, you are aware that's a pack of dust masks, right? She said, yeah. And the lady behind her said, yeah, they offer a protection plan on it. I said, that is either the dumbest thing I've heard today or the most ingenious thing that I've heard all week, because obviously somebody's buying protection plans for basically a $4 a piece dust mask. I don't know, you tell me. They are great masks. They do fit very well compared to just about anything else I've ever tried. I got a big face, so I need something that fits well, and those do. But protection plan on a dust mask. But then I thought on the way to the truck, I was like, you know, I wonder, should I just buy one pack and just keep coming back? Hey, these things clogged up with dust. I need another one. I wonder if it works like that.